All right, you guys, so today's video is super brief, but I basically just wanted to give you guys an update on how my washi tape in my YouTube room is holding up on my wall. So I've been getting a few comments over the past year, because it's been over a year now, of like, you know, is it still holding up? Does it last? Does it stick? So just wanted to give you guys a quick update so you can see live in the flesh. Let's see, when did I post that video? Because that video has been doing pretty good on my channel. So essentially it's been over a year since I did this in the wall, and honestly it might be coming up on 2 years. I'll confirm right here, but essentially it's been a very long time, and I'm super pleased with how well it's holding up to say that it is tape. So I'm going to show you guys a few clips of how everything is looking, and yeah. So if you guys remember, or if you have not seen the video, basically I used gold washi tape, and I think I bought mine from like Office Depot or something, and I'll try to put everything in the description again. But this specific brand of washi tape, I think, is what allowed it to stick, because I've tried to use other washi tape and they don't have as much of an adhesive. Also, my walls were freshly painted by myself, so it was kind of like a clean slate to work on. It wasn't like dirty or anything like that. So basically I used the washi tape to create a geometric design, and long story short, it is still rocking. It is still up there. I will say though that if you are in a room with a ceiling fan or like vents, it will hit on to your tape and like start to take them off sometimes. I experienced that with the vent that I have up there. It started to do that a little bit, so I would put like random strips of clear tape on it, but only in like a few spots. It's nothing like super noticeable, and really that's all I have to do. Even at this point, if there's tape that's coming off, I can rub my finger across it and it basically adheses itself again to the wall. So I would say 10 out of 10 recommend for an easy renter-friendly DIY, something like super simple and cute, and it doesn't ruin the walls, one, and it sticks and lasts a long time, and it's super affordable and really cheap. So just wanted to give that update to those of you that are wondering, how long does washi tape actually last on the walls? Did I take mine down? Is it like looking crazy? Answer is, it lasts. It's not looking crazy. Go do this project for yourself. But yeah, like I said, super quick video today. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you have any other questions about how the washi tape was doing on the walls, just comment down below and we can chat about it. But yeah, subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Turn on your post notifications to be updated every time I upload. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.